Hey, what's up guys? Today is January 21. Right now it's close to 8 p.m. Tuesday, January 21. My name is Jonathan. For this video, I'm going to attempt to install the range hood that I bought. If you guys saw my unboxing video, you probably know the model, but I want to quickly show you guys. So looks something like that. This is the range hood. Obviously this is the bottom side. The brand is IKTCH, and the screen itself is on the top right there. It has a clear glass with this tempered glass, I guess what you call it. Before you install it, first you want to test the range out. So I got a outlet right here that I'm going to plug in to. There we go. So I plug in ready. For this range, it actually comes with the remote control and some of the screws right here. The range itself is sensors, so let me show you guys how to remove this first in case when you want to clean. So you open both sides. There's a latch right there where you kind of just pull at it and then it'll open up. And for this range, on the Amazon, I got it from Amazon. Information detail that this thing is 900 CFN, which is pretty fast. This is all the mounting point right there. You got one right there, one on the bottom, and then there's two against the wall itself. 1, 2, and then top 1, 2. But anyway, let's test this out. I plug in ready. This is finger. Oops. There we go. Right there, I hit the power. You see that? The light is on. Ooh, it's bright. So you just have to hover your hand over it, on top of it, and then it'll change the level. Oops. I can't really see, guys. There we go. Okay. Let's turn it down. Okay, now it's 2. Slowly. Oops. Oh yeah, it's hard for me to record and do this at the same time. Anyway, I think you guys get the idea. Where's the power button? Is this the power? Yep, there we go. So everything works. Let me turn off the light. Where's the light? Maybe it's this one. Oops. There we go. Oops, I turned it on again. So yeah, I'm going to attempt to install this right now. Okay guys, so I moved the stuff over already, and let me show you the kitchen. This is the space that I'll be installing. Thanks to my mom, she actually painted and colored everything, so it's all white. So we're going to mark it. First of all, there's already a hole on top already from the previous microwave that we removed, and there's also vent right there already, so we're going to use the same vent up 10, but other than that, we're going to drill some hole against the back of the wall just to mount everything. All right. Okay, let's see if this thing fits first. Oh, man. Okay. I would say it's pretty heavy, guys. Very heavy. Hope I have a good grip on this. Turn this around. Okay, perfect. It does fit. Now, next thing I need to do is I need to get a better handle of this. Let me set this down first slowly on the stove, gas stove. Maybe I can sit here. Okay. Okay. Hold on. This is not going to work. I will definitely need a second hand. This thing is pretty heavy. So I'm going to do it behind the video. Hey, what's up guys? Just want to quickly update you. Right now it's the next day, Wednesday, June 22nd. I wasn't able to complete it yesterday because we needed to cut the hole out. As you can see, this is where the wire is going to be. This is the previous hole that it has for the power cable, but we need to do it on this side. So yeah, now it's the mop-up time. Alright guys, we finally finished. My mom and I, and also my dad was working on it. We finally got it installed. You also get a remote for that too. Oh, my mom just put in like a saran wrap. Try to keep everything clean. Typical Asian. We also got ourselves a, I don't know if you can see it, remote that could control it. So yeah. The product is actually touch sensor, so you just hover your hand over it and then it'll start cleaning. Start working and everything. But yeah, that's pretty much it. The light is really bright, as you can see, shining down at it. So yeah. Anyway, I'm going to end the video right here. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask me. Other than that, that's about it. I'll see you guys. Bye.